Hello my dear students. Today we are going to see the revision of The Road Not Taken. It's a beautiful poem written by Robert Frost. In this poem, poet tells us about the journey of life and what he decides when he is at the he is at the where there is two road diverge. Okay, and that means this incident tells us about the journey of life in this poem. Poet in this poem, poet is standing at where there is two roads diverge in a forest, and this means these two road trees have yellow leaves, and there are two roads going in separate directions, and he is sorry that he cannot travel along both the roads. Poet cannot travel both the roads because he want to choose only one, and that's why he stand there for a long time, and after he want to he is thinking about which road he want to choose, and then he takes the other road, where there is two roads. One road is there is covered with the bushes, and he think about that which road he want to take, and after that he took the other road which was just as good, and he felt more attracted to it because it was grassy and did not seem much use. Because this other road was grassy and it did not seem much use, and that's why poet chose the second road. And poet also says that here these both the road were equally covered with leaves, and that had not been blackened by the footsteps of people. Okay, and he chose one road and kept the first for the another day. Okay, another day, and he was doubtful. Poet was doubtful there. Why poet was doubtful? Because if he would ever come back or not there again, and that's why poet kept one road for the another day. But poet knew that poet was doubtful that he would ever come back there or not. He says that he will be telling this with a very mournful. Okay, somewhere many years later, that these two roads went in different directions in a forest, and he took the one that was less traveled by, and that has made all the difference in his life. Okay, and because of this poet tells us about in this poem, it's the journey of life. Okay, like this way it's a short summary of this poem. Then how, if there is a appreciation of the poem, then how we are going to write in the paragraph format? This famous poet written The Road Not Taken, written by famous poet Robert Frost. And in this poem, the poet tells us about the journey of life and what the poet decides when he is at the crossroads. He tells us about a time when he came across two roads that diverge in a forest. And also poet knew that he could not travel both. So he took the road which was not as well traveled as the other. And this thing made the difference in his life. Then what is the rhyming scheme of the poem? A B A A B. And this poem contains the figure of speech alliteration. Also there is inversion. Okay. For example, example of alliteration is though, as, for, that. The passing there T is repeated there. Okay, and the poem is an poet is there symbols. Okay, many symbols for to explain the symbolic lines. Okay, like this way we can write the appreciation of poem. Okay, we have to do study like this way. Okay, thank you.